So if you saw my video on the OnePlus 12, you know that OnePlus actually hooked me up with some Buds 3 too. So for $100 when earbuds these days cost like $250 and all that from Apple and Samsung and all that, I'm trying to see what's good with these. Alright y'all, so we back here again at the legendary unboxing table and we finally got the the OnePlus Buds 3 in the building. Hey, look, man, look, it is what it is, man. Look, if it sounds good, that's cool, but I just gotta point that out. This is my first pair of earbuds that actually look like the AirPods with that stem over here. So we just gotta try it out and see what's good with this. I really wish I had some AirPods on me though. That'd be funny as hell. Anyway, like I said, I got the OnePlus 12 over here too. So like I said, shout out to OnePlus because they really hooked your boy up. Like y'all don't even know. Anyway, enough talking. Let's just get about that action. So we got the OnePlus Buds 3 and then we got it in black here and then we got the OnePlus logo. On the left side, we don't got nothing. On the right side, we don't got nothing. On the bottom, we don't got nothing. And at the top, we don't really got nothing. On the back, we got some info though. So if we go ahead and zoom in on this, let's see what they talking about. So we just got the product color metallic gray, and yeah, that's basically it. So really ain't none to the unboxing. So all right, let's just go ahead and hop into this. Wait, hold up. Let me go ahead and close this, and then all right, bet. Let's get a little slicing action up in there. All right, cool. Like I like that. Let's go ahead and bust this open real quick. Let's see what's good with these OnePlus Buds, cause I'm actually interested, man. I ain't even gonna cap. If these sound pretty good, I might actually rock them, cause I'm actually thinking about rocking my OnePlus 12 just in general. So let's go ahead and bust into this, man. So how do we actually go ahead and open this? We just do it like this? Nah, do we go ahead and slide it? How do we do it, man? Chat, how we open this box? I hate the actual speed for making that a thing, bro. So far, I know they just earbuds, but this unboxing experience ain't it. Unless I'm doing something wrong, that was a hell of a lot of work just to get out the box, bro. All right, so look, so if you want some OnePlus Buds 3, it's gonna run you $99.99 in the US, obviously, and then you got Splendid Blue, and then you got this metallic gray that I'm about to go and show y'all. So checking out the product page, we got dual dynamic drivers. We also got breathtaking high-res audio with LHDC 5.0. We got up to 49 decibels adaptive noise cancellation, up to 44 hours of playback, and then we got touch volume control. So all right, cool. Let's go ahead and run these real quick. OnePlus Buds. All right, so let's see what this case look like. It still look like some AirPods. Look like some AirPods Pro. Let's keep it a stack, right? I mean, look. Let's just be honest for a second. Let's be honest for a second. I mean, come on. I mean, I'm just clowning these things for a minute, but I heard the OnePlus Buds is actually pretty decent, so we'll check these out. But yeah, looking around it, we got the OnePlus logo, and in the back, it's just pretty much nothing. It's clean, man. We got USB-C, and then we got this LED indicator here in the front. So that's gonna show us our battery life up on here for, I'm pretty sure, the case and the earbuds. So yeah, OnePlus Buds. Let's go and see what's good inside the box. So we got, as you can see there, we got a user manual. So if we go ahead and get this out real quick. All right, there we go. So yeah, this unboxing experience ain't it, man. So I know it's $100, but still. But anyway, as I was saying, we got some ear tips over here so we can go and adjust those so it can fit in your ear properly. So if I go ahead and open that real quick, y'all get the story. Y'all know how it works, man. So that's the ear tips. We got a real small, like USB to USB-C cable over here. So that's cool. And then we got our usual books or whatever. So you know what we do with that. We throw it to the side as always. And yeah, all right. So cool. That's it. Now let's go ahead and get to this OnePlus 12. Let me go and unlock that with my face because I ain't do my fingerprint or nothing yet. All right, cool. I'm literally doing this right after the unboxing. So I ain't even set up no apps or nothing. I ain't even download nothing yet. So we just gonna try it out and see. So let's see if this got an easy pairing or something like that. So I'm just opening this up and I'm not seeing nothing yet. Maybe we got to go to Bluetooth though, because that's definitely what it's looking like right now. So let's go to Bluetooth and let's go and turn that on. So let me go and close that back and then we can go and try that again, see if it pops up. So opening the OnePlus Buds 3 and let's see. There you go. So OnePlus Buds 3. So we do got Easy Connect. That is the Google Quick Pair or whatever it's called. I don't really remember. But all right, so cool. It's connecting and let's just go ahead and see how long that takes right there. And device connected, so cool. So that's all it really took. So now we finna slide to YouTube. Let's see what we got going on over here. I'm gonna go and play some music and all right, choose that one. What should we play, y'all? Let's go and play some Rod Wave. I don't know, why not? Y'all know that? Girls, 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 girls all over the world. That's what I'm talking about. But before we do that, let me get in front of the camera so y'all can actually see this for y'all selves. So it's actually been a couple weeks since I got these and they holding up so far so good. I ain't really got no issues with them so far. But y'all already seen the case. Let me go and throw these in my ear. Y'all can see what these look like. So I got these in my ear now. Let me go and see what these look like. You can go and check these out. So I got that in my left ear, my right ear. I mean, they still, like I said, they still look like AirPods, bro. I'm not gonna deny that, but you know what I'm saying? It's not bad, man. It's not bad. All right, so let's go and do a sound test. So now that I actually got some earbuds in my ear, I ain't got a speaker or nothing like that, I can actually go and play some copyright music. I ain't even gotta worry about that. And that's exactly what I'm about to do. So I know Yeet just dropped a new song, but we got Rob 49, we got Lil Baby, we got Juice WRLD, Lyrical Lemonade. Oh yeah, Say Grace, y'all heard that song yet? You know what? F it. What's happening, baby? Gotta go and play this song. Woo! That bass just kick in right there. All right, bro, we got to switch this up real quick. That was crazy. We got Rod Wave Fight the Feeling. You can't keep patching up your pain, taking shots at the bar. Know exactly how you feel. I know what's in your heart. Young nigga came a long way with so many scars. Finally found a brighter day from being lost in the dark. Ah, man, Rod Wave go crazy every single time, bro. I'll tell y'all. Try not to cry to a love song. Woo! Go crazy, Rod Wave. I'm telling y'all, bro. I'm telling y'all, like, this ain't even me over-exaggerating right now. This is legit for sure. I love the way these sound, bro. And for the fact that these don't even cost that much compared to, like, other earbuds out there, this is actually pretty clutch, bro. Like, I ain't even gonna cap. When I first got into these, I ain't had no high expectations at all for these. Like, I ain't really think it was gonna be that good. But yeah, it's actually pretty valid for sure. Now, let me go and show y'all what the app look like. All right, so we hit the pool table of greatness. I'll tell y'all, bro, this must be like a new record or something like that, being that 3 tables in one video. But all right, let's go check out what's good with this real quick. So, I want to go and put this out real quick, though. So, I had to go ahead and look up on the Play Store, and I did see that there was a OnePlus Buds app, but I couldn't actually open it. So, I downloaded this, and I got OnePlus Buds, and it just said uninstall. So it ain't even in the apps and nothing like that. So I had to go through the settings and then I found it through there. So I don't know if that app is gonna unlock any new features and nothing like that, but I did see it in the Play Store. So just go ahead and I just want to make that aware. All right, so you can see right here that we got OnePlus Buds 3, and then you can actually see that we got LDHC. So if we go ahead and click on this eye right here, we should have some options. There we go, earbud functions. And as you can see right here, we get the OnePlus Buds, so we can actually see we got the left and the right, and we got the case battery life. So that's cool right there. We got the Buds itself, obviously. And if we go and scroll down a little bit here, we can see that we got noise control, so we got noise cancellation, we got off, and we got transparency mode, sound master EQ. So let's go and click on this real quick, and we can see that we do got some options over here. So we got balance, we got serenade, and we got bass. So I just left it on balance because that's how I like it best. I love my bass, obviously, but I want some clarity in there too, bro. So I just left it like that. Now we got bass wave. I still never really got to experience what that's like, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on strong anyway, just to go and see what that look like for sure. And then we got custom EQ over here. So we got custom. If we go and click on that, we can go ahead and adjust it how we like. And then if we go ahead and click on this, we got add equalizer, so it look like we can have more than one. So that's cool. If you want multiple custom EQs, you can go and go through that and then go and manage yourself if you want to. Now if we go back here, we have high res mode, so we can play audio in high resolution. I think that's off by default, but I went ahead and turn that on, obviously. We got golden sound, so get studio quality sound customized to your ear canal structure and hearing characteristics. So let's go and click on that, and I already did that. So if y'all know anything about Sound Alive on Samsung, it's basically like that. It just go ahead and play different tones to kind of figure out how you're hearing it. We got earbud controls over here, so we got the left and the right. We can go ahead and customize that if we want to, like the play and pause. We can go and double tap, we can go and do triple tap, all that. We also got camera related settings over here, so we can go and customize the camera settings. So if I want to go ahead and take a picture with my earbuds, I can do that. We also got dual connection, so connect 2 devices at the same time, switch between them easy, so I can go and do that if I want to. And I only got a OnePlus 12, so I mean I can't do that with nothing else. I mean I guess I got the OnePlus 12R too, but yeah, that's that. And then we got the earbud fit test, which ain't really that accurate, I'm not gonna lie. We got find my earbuds, so obviously that's just gonna make a tone, so you can go and find your earbuds if you lost it somewhere, so it ain't gonna work if it is closed. And then we got the firmware update. As you can see here, it is all the way up to date, so cool. Now when I did get these out the box though, it did have an update, so just want to let y'all know that if you do go ahead and get these brand new, there might be an update for y'all. But y'all, that's pretty much gonna do it for me, man. So let me know what y'all think about this in the comments below. And by the way, shout out to Team Pixel, bro, for the water bottle, for sure. This thing is clutch. I had to go and fit my stereotype, and I've been feeling this thing up a Kool-Aid, though. but yeah, I'm just saying, though, keep it cold. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the OnePlus Buds in the comments below. But for me, man, I'm really feeling these things a lot. So far, I do recommend them, but I'm going to have to go ahead and give y'all my review to let y'all know how I think. So far, though, the AirPods, the OnePlus Buds is actually pretty dope for sure. I just wish it had wireless charging. That's the one con I have about this. And, oh, shit, my boy Melly down here. My dog just came down here. So cool. Shout out to my boy Belly. White shoes. I can't call him white shoes. That's a Flossie Carter thing. But shout out to Melly, man. Shout out to Melly. Back in the building. Except he ain't no cat, so he can't just jump on the table like white shoes can. But I appreciate y'all for coming through, though, man. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and get this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at EZTech on Instagram and X and Facebook. But Instagram and X are most active. Now, if you do want to go and cop these, I will leave a link down below so you can go and cop yourself some OnePlus Buds. Because, like I said, these things, I do recommend them so far. So go and check them out. Also, OnePlus 12, I got about another couple weeks before I had to get this review out. So y'all stay tuned for that too. Also, real quick, I got to give a shout out to Milwaukee, man. That's what I got. I love Milwaukee because I was actually, come on, bro. What are you doing? He's sniffing my phone, bro. But I was out last night at the taco truck and I heard somebody blasting "What's That, Baby?" And that was like a song I heard on TikTok. And I didn't know it was out there like that. So I'll tell y'all, that's why I love Milwaukee. Shout out to Milwaukee. I actually got to go to this Tommy G thing later. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. But y'all, I'm going to go and get about here. Like I said, y'all be smooth. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace out.
Silky beat.